You guys, this is not my real hair. This is a wig and I will have a video on it. Do not think for 2 seconds that my hair grew this much. It did not grow this much. It's still short-ish, medium length, I guess. So today's video is going to be the overdue Hairfinity update, and I am updating you guys on my experience with Hairfinity. I am on a healthy hair journey. I have been on one since the beginning of last year because I only recently learned to properly detangle my hair, which is really bad. But it was 2016. At the end of 2016, I learned to properly detangle my hair, and then I started to notice the great divide where the hair at the roots to mid shaft was fuller and thicker and the ends were kind of scraggly. So I've been transitioning out of my natural hair, and that's the purpose of my healthy hair journey. I'm not here to grow my hair to long great lengths, but I just want to reclaim my thickness. So that's why I also embarked on the Hairfinity challenge, and I am so sorry for being so late, but I did take a lot of pictures and I did have footage. I made sure I filmed my length checks on time, and I made sure I filmed what I did with my natural hair. So just to quickly recap, I was taking the Hairfinity vitamins by themselves. Then the second month, I went ahead and took Hairfinity as well as the detox and de-stress booster. So I'm going to go over everything I did with my hair, and then I'm going to talk about how I feel about these products. So I started off by rinsing my hair out. You can see it's very dirty, and after rinsing my hair, I put some Hairfinity shampoo in there. It lathers really well for a sulfate-free shampoo. I should definitely start using a lot less, but it's also hydrating, so I don't really worry if I use too much because it doesn't strip my hair like that. After using the shampoo, I went ahead and used the amino hair mask, which is one of my faves and definitely money well spent. And then of course I put in the conditioner, and I rinsed my hair after I took a shower. So this is what my hair was looking like after about half an hour or so, and I'm using my leave-in conditioner as well as the botanical oil to detangle my natural hair and put it in bantu knots. So there is the oil right there, and I'm just putting it on my ends as well as my roots, the most important places, and then massaging it, working it, really working it, and combing my hair out with a rake comb before bantu knotting so I can stretch it out before I African thread my hair. So I stretched my hair with thread, and I do have the tutorial on how I stretched my hair with thread, so that way you won't miss out. But this is what we're looking like. This is how much stretch I got, and my hair looked really good, okay? Because I had to do a length check so I could show you guys, and I didn't want to put heat on my hair because I'm trying not to use heat for a while. So it's gonna be a while before I even blow dry my hair. I just want to stay away from heat for now. So now let's look at the length check. As you can see down there, my hair went past the first line on my t-shirt. So I've made quite a bit of progress from the first month to the second month. That is 0 in the beginning, month 1 in the middle, and month 2 on the far right. My hair grew really nicely. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna trim my hair on camera, and I suck at doing this, but I'll trim it again later. This was in October, but I'm gonna trim my hair again soon because I really want to get rid of about 4 inches or so. So obviously my hair grew. It's pretty obvious it grew quite a bit, and I decided to go ahead and trim my hair, and I am due for a trim later this month, I think. Yeah. So I'm due for another trim. I'm not gonna do a how to trim your natural hair video. I'm just gonna incorporate it into another video so you can see me trimming my hair. It's just gonna be part of something else. But I am gonna trim my hair. I'm continuing to transition out of my natural hair into my healthier natural hair. I know it sounds kind of crazy, but yeah, that's what I'm doing. Anyway, at first I took the pills all by themselves. After I took the pills by themselves, I took the 2 together, my second bottle, and I took 1 vitamin in the morning with 1 detox and de-stress pill. You only take 1 of these a day. And then I took another vitamin in the evening. I took my supplements with my meals, basically 1 with breakfast, 1 with dinner. Taking supplements with your meals makes it easy for you to remember to take your supplements, and also that's great for absorption. As far as side effects go, I think this is very important. I did not have any side effects. I did not have any acne. I did not have any issues, no headaches or anything like that. I know some people, when they take multivitamins, I have heard of people who've had headaches when they take multivitamins. I've heard of people who have some form of nausea, stomach aches. I haven't had any side effects at all, except I've had a little bit more energy. I don't know if it's because I've been on the pills, because that's something that's not normal for me. And usually, okay, what happens is I don't work out as much as I should. And when I do work out, sometimes I like to overcompensate, so I burn out faster. But with Hairfinity and the detox booster, I wasn't burning out as fast, if that makes sense. So I definitely enjoyed that little surge of energy. It wasn't like caffeine surge. It was just a tiny little surge of energy that I got to enjoy while I was taking the vitamins. Of course, I have to say everybody's experience is going to be different. So if you have health issues or if you're on a prescription, it's incredibly important for you to talk to your doctor, because I don't want you taking Hairfinity vitamins because you know that I had a good experience, my hair grew, I had some energy, I didn't have any side effects, I didn't have any acne, but I think the acne thing was because I spread out my pills. If I took 2 at once for like 3 or 4 days straight, I wouldn't be surprised if the biotin made my skin break out, because I am prone to breakouts, and that's why I'm careful about stuff like that. I don't like to induce breakouts. I mean, I'm always on camera, so you know, I kind of need to keep my face clear. Anyway, honestly, I would feel terrible if you took Hairfinity vitamins because you saw that I had a good experience and you know you have whatever health issues you may have or whatever prescriptions you may be taking, not necessarily related to any specific chronic health issue. I'd hate it if the vitamins made your regular medication ineffective or had a negative impact on your health. Sincerely, I would hate that. I think if you're generally healthy, I don't think there would be a huge issue. I'm only saying that just to be responsible, but at the same time, I'm sure if you're on some kind of medication, you're probably pretty responsible on your own. That is all for my Hairfinity update. I am happy about my results. I will let you guys decide if you want me to continue taking Hairfinity in the future and we can do this over, or if I should just stop, because right now I'm like not taking Hairfinity. Which brings me to another point. I didn't have that shedding. Somebody said, I've watched somebody's video, I can't remember, it was a long time ago, but she said something about she had shedding after taking Hairfinity. I did not experience that. It's been over 2 months since I stopped taking Hairfinity, and now I'm telling on myself and telling you just how long it's been since I actually filmed. But it's been over 2 months since I took Hairfinity, and I have not had any shedding at all in these last 2 months, which I guess is a good thing that I'm late bringing this video, because then I wouldn't be able to give you that information. So cheers to being late. So that's all as far as my Hairfinity experience goes. I was very pleased with my results. I was even more pleased with some of the hair products. I actually bought a couple of more hair products because I just felt like the ones they sent me weren't enough. So in addition to the products that Hairfinity sent me, I did buy conditioner and I did buy the amino hair mask because I wanted to see how all the products work together. I didn't buy the Infinite Edges serum. That's the only thing I forgot to buy. But this is enough. So thank you so much for watching. As always, if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask. Please give me a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe on your way out. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye!